have some bird houses, and we need to find the right birds to go into the birdhouse. So back here, I've got my birdhouses. We've got a red birdhouse. What shape is this one? It's kind of like a circle, but it's more of an oval. And then this is a tricky little shape over here. What color is this one? So I've got some friends here, and I need your help to get them to the right birdhouse. So our first bird is this little guy. Where does this little guy? All right, let's see if he fits in the blue birdhouse. It's a perfect fit. Awesome job. Okay, let's see what other birds I have here with me today. What about this friend? A red square birdhouse. There it goes. A perfect fit. Okay, how about this friend? Have you ever seen birds these shapes? Pretty wild, right? What about this friend? Okay, let's see if he fits in the green triangle-shaped birdhouse. Let's see. There he goes. Okay, we have one bird left, and we have one birdhouse left, so they probably go together, but I want to get your opinion. What do you think? Where does this bird go? What color is it? It's kind of hard to see. And it's sort of like a circle. Okay, let's put it there. There it goes. Wow, nice job. You helped all the birds get back to their homes that are the right shapes and the right colors. Awesome job. All right, we're going to sing a little song called Little Bird, or it's more of a rhyme. And I've got my little bluebird here, little friend, and this song is called Little Bird. And you can do the flying around with me if you want to. It goes like this. Little bird, fly around up to the sky and down to the ground. Little bird, flap your wings, open your beak, and sweetly sing. Little bird, fly to your nest. Now it is time to take a rest. Very nice. Let's do that one more time. Little bird, fly around up to the sky and down to the ground. Little bird, flap your wings, open your beak and sweetly sing. Little bird, fly to your nest. Now it is time to take a rest. All right, nice job, little birds. They pop right up off the page, and look at the wings even flap. Just like that. High up in the sky, brilliant bee eaters flit and glide, catching tasty treats as they go. In their little cliff nests, baby birds grow bigger and bigger, gulping down each meal until whiz, zip, zoom, they launch into the air too. Now they can catch snacks all on their own. There go the little birds. Teeny tiny hummingbirds, as small and as bright as butterflies, flitter and flutter among the flowers. Each bird hovers to suck up sweet, juicy nectar through its pointed beak. Slurp, 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 slurp. There's our hummingbird and all of our flowers. What a flamboyance of pink! These flamingos love to dance. Are they dancing? Once a year on a glittering lake, hundreds of flamingos twirl and strut. They turn their heads as if to say, I'm so beautiful. Me too, and me. Look at all those beautiful pink flamingos. These birds don't dance, and they don't fly. Their wings are more like flippers. On the ice, penguins waddle and slide until they dive and splash into the water. They speed along, their fluffy babies wait on land. When they're bigger, they'll dive in too. There's a baby on land there. When it gets dark, most birds are fast asleep. But who's this swooping with silent wings to hunt? It's an owl. And suddenly she hoots, hoo, hoo, tweet, twoo. I'm wide awake. Goes the owl. And that is the end about the fluttering birds and the wings that flap. This song is called Flitter Flutter, and if you've got your bird wings on, then you can flitter flutter around. We're going to go around and up and down, and we're going to sing Flitter Flutter. Flitter, flutter, flitter, flutter, flitter, flutter, wings that flap. Flitter, flutter, flitter, flutter, flitter, flutter, wings that flap. Around and around, around and around, up and up and up and down, 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 around and around, around and around, up and up and up and down, down, down. Birds are flying, birds are flying, birds are flying in the air. Birds are flying, birds are flying, birds are flying in the air. Around and around, around and around, up and up and up and down, 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 around and around, around and around, up and up and up and down, down, down. So we're going to see some of the sounds that these birds make, and feel free to make the sounds along with me at home. It has been a quiet night. In the river, the heron watches the last star fade. And then, chirp, says the sparrow. Can you chirp with me? Chirp. Warble, goes the thrush. Tooraloo, whistles the blackbird from the blackberry bush. Tooraloo. Chee, chee, says the wren. Ta-tee-tee, sings the lark. Tink, tink, calls the finch. Goodbye to the dark. Now the robin pipes up with her clear, clean tune. Ta-la-la, sings the swallow, and there goes the moon. It's getting a little lighter. The wagtails bounce and twitter, the starling goes tick-tack. The magpies stamp and march and shout chack-chack-chack, chack-chack-chack. Honk, says the goose, and quack goes the duck. The hen in the hen house fusses cluck, 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 cluck. The pigeon in the apple tree says coo, coo, coo. Then up jumps the rooster shouting cock-a-doodle-doo. my goodness. Cluck, cluck, coo, coo, how, how, cluck, cluck, chick, chick, conk, conk. Look at all those birds and all the sounds that they're making early in the morning. Hush! It's my turn to sing. There's our little bluebird. It's my turn to sing. Zip, zip, zippy zip, zippy zip. Zippy, 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 zippy. Tink, tink, coo, coo, chirp, chirp, tooraloo, honk, honk, chee, chee, zippy, 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 zee. All those bird sounds. We all have a song. We all have something to say. We all get to shout for a brand new day. Zippy! Zippy! Zippy, 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 zippy. All over. Singing, singing, singing. There goes the little bluebird with